Let's define sync pending in Google Drive. It means your files aren't uploading or syncing properly between your device and the cloud. You'll usually see a gray icon indicating this. While it's been a persistent issue, Google has made significant improvements, especially with AI-driven diagnostics, reducing these issues by up to 40% as of early 2026. Several factors can cause sync pending in Google Drive. It could be a network problem, issues with the file itself, or something on your device. Common causes include insufficient storage, conflicting file versions, antivirus software interfering, a corrupted cache, or exceeding your Google One storage limit, like the 15 gigabyte free tier. Knowing the cause is the first step to fixing it. Before trying advanced solutions, start with these quick fixes. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for Google Drive to sync files properly. Test your connection by visiting a website or using speed test tools. Poor or unstable connectivity is one of the most common causes of sync pending issues. Next, restart the Google Drive app. This simple action often resolves minor glitches that prevent syncing. Close the app completely from your task manager or app switcher, wait about 10 seconds, then reopen it. This clears temporary issues without affecting your files. Clear the app's cache to remove potentially corrupted data. Go to your device's settings, find Google Drive in the apps list, and select the option to clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be interfering with sync, but keeps your actual data safe. Finally, ensure you haven't exceeded your Google Drive storage limit. Check your storage usage in the Drive settings. If you're at or near your limit, files can't upload. Free up space by deleting unnecessary files or upgrade to Google One for more storage. If basic fixes didn't resolve the sync pending issue, let's explore more advanced troubleshooting techniques. First, temporarily enable offline mode in Google Drive. This forces a complete resync when you reconnect, clearing any stuck queues. Next, check that your antivirus software isn't interfering with Google Drive. Temporarily disable it or add Google Drive to the whitelist. For large files causing issues, try uploading them directly through the Google Drive website. This bypasses potential problems with the desktop app. Finally, take advantage of the Smart Sync Recovery feature in Google Drive version 2.8.1 from February 2026. It automatically retries failed uploads with optimized bandwidth allocation. Google has integrated advanced AI-driven sync diagnostics into Google Drive, which automatically detect and resolve many common sync issues. Explore the Google Drive settings to access built-in troubleshooting tools that can identify and automatically resolve common sync issues. Also, keep an eye on the Google Workspace status dashboard for any reported outages that might be affecting your sync performance. These built-in tools help ensure your Google Drive sync remains reliable and efficient. The trend is moving towards AI-assisted cloud storage. Google is incorporating machine learning to predict and manage sync processes, minimizing manual intervention. Looking ahead, Google plans quantum sync integration by 2027, which uses edge computing for near instantaneous syncing, potentially eliminating sync pending problems altogether. Let's examine real-world examples of solving sync pending issues. First, a freelance designer struggled with sync pending on large 4K video files. The files exceeded free storage limits, and network drops caused frequent upload failures. The solution involved upgrading to Google One Premium for more storage and switching to the web app for direct uploads. This bypassed client app limitations and provided more reliable syncing. Another example is a Fortune 500 company that faced widespread sync pending during a merger, leading to significant productivity losses. Thousands of files were stuck in pending status. They resolved 95% of issues by using Google's backup and sync tool with custom scripts for automated monitoring and recovery. This approach saved substantial costs and improved efficiency. Keeping your Google Drive app updated is crucial for accessing the latest bug fixes and performance enhancements that prevent sync pending issues. Regularly monitor your storage usage through the Google One interface to stay within your plan limits and avoid sync interruptions. Manage your files efficiently by organizing folders, removing duplicates, and optimizing large files to maintain smooth synchronization across devices. By staying proactive with updates, storage monitoring, and file management, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of sync pending problems and maintain reliable cloud storage operations.